Hi, I'm Jeff from Baby & Co, and I'd like to introduce you to the UppaBaby Vista 2, one of our best-selling travel systems. This is probably one of our best-selling travel systems in this kind of premium segment. It's something we've sold ever since they first launched, and we love it. I want to go through some of the key features and why we feel this is so special. We start with the carry cot. We've got a fully ventilated hood, so a lot more airflow for the child. We've also got this nice unique UV hood in the carry cot. The carry cot's suitable for an overnight sleep as well, which is quite rare. And there is an accessory of a wooden stand that the carry cot can sit on. So if you're visiting family, then you can take this one unit with you. We've got a one-hand release, so we slide the button, press, and the carry cot comes off very easily. We also have our toddler seat that will take you from 6 months through to kind of 3 to 4 years. Parent facing, multiple recline positions, nice big XL hood with ventilation at the back and the front. We've got a gated bumper bar, so it's easy to put the child in, and quick adjust harness, so as the child gets bigger, the harness will grow with the child without needing to rethread. As the child gets bigger, the seat can spin around and world face. So the fold is really simple. What we suggest is to take the handle out just a little bit, make sure the seat is facing forwards, pull on the 2 grey levers, and the seat will fold down and freestand. So for home storage, or if you're out and about, you don't need to break the product down. Unfold, we're going to release the lever on the side, pull up on the handle, and then we're ready to go again. It's really, really easy to use. For the vehicle, take the seat unit off, repeat the same process, fold the chassis down. Very, very compact, and also the wheels are quick release as well. So if you have a slightly smaller boot, then it can shrink down to a really, really small size when you need to. You know, everything is very, very easy to use. They've worked on this and just refined it over the years, so it's as simple as it can be. If we move on to the travel system options, there are a few different car seats you can choose from. The co-branded, or the branded seat is the UppaBaby Mesa. The joy of this one is when you attach it onto the chassis, you don't need any adapters at all. It will clip straight on. So it's the easiest one to choose. It's approved to new R129 regulations. It's an I-size product. And again, it benefits from that one-hand release as well. So really easy to use. Goes through to 78 centimeters or 13 kilos, which is around sort of 13 months approximately. Alternatively, if you want to use a third-party car seat like Cybex, then you'd need some car seat adapters. So car seat adapters just sit onto these 2 ports here, and they've kindly put a little coloured dot on each adapter, and there's a coloured dot on here as well. So I'm just going to match up the blue with the blue and the yellow with the yellow. And then you can put on a third-party car seat like Cybex or Maxi-Cosi or B-Safe, and it clips on just like that. You probably notice we're using the higher car seat adapters, which are available at the moment. We quite like wrapping this bundle up with the Cybex car seat because of the lay flat option. So what we can offer is kind of a flatter position for the newborn. And, you know, styling-wise, I think it works really well. I think the UppaBaby Vista is a really great option for every parent. It offers everything you need, great for off-road. We sell it really well in store, and for us is one of our best sellers and go-to for parents who kind of have a bit more of a rural lifestyle. We're really pleased to demonstrate the item in full for you. So come into store and we can run through all the options and all the colour choices, which are great also. Thank you.